In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll be comfortable starting a presentation, customizing its look, organizing slides, and adding smooth transitions so your deck is ready to present. First, head to Google Slides. From the landing page, open the template gallery to browse professionally designed starting points. Templates save time because layouts, fonts, and colors are already coordinated. If you prefer total control, choose a blank presentation instead. Either path is fine. You can fully customize everything after you start. Once your presentation opens, get familiar with the interface. Along the very top is the main menu, where File, Edit, View, Insert, and other options give you access to all key tools. Just below that sits the toolbar for quick edits like formatting text, aligning objects, and inserting shapes, lines, or images. Think of the menu as the full toolbox and the toolbar as your shortcuts. To set the slides look, click Background. Here, you can pick a solid or gradient color to establish a clean foundation. You can also choose an image as your background if you want a more visual style or a branded feel. When you're happy, use Add to Theme so the background applies consistently across your deck, keeping everything cohesive. Next, refine structure with Layout. This controls where titles, subtitles, and content placeholders appear on a given slide. Need a consistent visual style for the whole presentation? Click Theme. A panel opens on the right with preset themes. Selecting one updates fonts and colors instantly, giving your slides a polished, unified design. Now customize your first slide. Click the title and subtitle areas to edit the text and adjust sizing or alignment from the toolbar. If the template includes elements you don't need, select and delete them to keep the slide focused and clean. On the left, you'll see thumbnails of all slides. Click any slide to jump to it and review content quickly. Right-click a thumbnail to reveal handy options like delete, cut, copy, paste, duplicate slide, or skip slide. These controls make organizing your story fast and efficient. To add motion, click Transition. Choose a transition from the drop-down, then adjust the speed to match your pacing. You can apply the same transition to all slides for consistency or set